Hello, and welcome back to Autumn Letters. It's late as I'm recording this. The world is quieter now. Most people are asleep, the notifications have finally slowed down, and the day is over. And I suppose that is why I like nights so much. There is something about the hours after midnight that makes people a little more honest. And tonight's midnight thought is this: nobody talks about how strange growing up is. One day, people stop asking you what your favorite color is and they start asking you what you want to do for the rest of your life. And somehow, that's considered a completely normal transition. I think that's a little strange. Growing up doesn't happen all at once. There is no dramatic moment where you wake up and suddenly feel like an adult. Sometimes it happens quietly. In fact, it always happens quietly. One day, it's the last time you watch your favorite childhood cartoon, the last time you sit in your old classroom, the last time you spend an entire summer without worrying about the future. And perhaps the strangest part is this: you never know it's the last time while it's happening. I think about that a lot. There was the last time when you played your favorite game with your friends, the last time when someone called you a child, the last time you believed that adults had all the answers figured. And life never stops to tell us. It simply keeps moving forward. I remember being a child and thinking that growing up would solve everything. I thought there would be a day when I would suddenly know exactly who I was, what I wanted, and where I was going. But the older I get, the more I realize that most people are still figuring it out as they go. Even the people who seem like they have everything together, especially those people. And yet, we've put so much pressure onto ourselves to have a plan, to know what we are doing, to become successful before a certain age. It's exhausting. Sometimes I think we are all just children wearing slightly more formal clothes, and maybe that's okay. I've also realized that growing up comes with a strange kind of nostalgia. You start missing things you never thought you would miss: school assemblies, handwritten notes, summer holidays that felt endless, the excitement of a new school year. You miss versions of yourself that no longer exist. And that's a difficult thing to explain. How do you tell someone that you miss being at 10 years old? Or that you miss a house you have moved away from? Or that sometime you wish to spend one more afternoon with the person you used to be? It's strange because at the same time, I don't want to go backwards. I want to grow. I want to see the places I'll go and meet the people I'll become. But I also want to hold on to the people I have already been. Perhaps that's what growing up really is. You have more than one version of yourself, learning to carry every version of yourself with you. The child who believed anything was possible, the teenager who stayed awake worrying about the future, and the person listening to this right now. You're all still here. They're all you. And maybe that's a comforting thought. I also think nobody prepares us for how quickly time begins to move. When we are children, 1 year feels like forever. Now entire months disappear without us even noticing. Sometimes I look around and think, oh, when did this happen? When did we become old enough to talk about careers and responsibilities? When did our parents start looking older? When did we stop introducing ourselves by our hobbies and started introducing ourselves by what we do? Nobody warned us about that part. Nobody told us that growing up would feel like saying goodbyes over and over again. Goodbye to places, goodbye to people, and goodbye to old versions of ourselves. But despite all of that, I think there is something beautiful about growing up too. because every year we become someone our younger selves would be curious about, and maybe, even if we don't realize it, someone they would be proud of. So, if you have been feeling a little lost lately, if you have been wondering why time seems to move so quickly, or if you have been missing a version of yourself that no longer exists, I hope you know that you are not alone. I think we are all standing in the middle of becoming, trying our best, making mistakes, learning as we go, and perhaps that's enough. Perhaps that's always been enough. Thank you for spending this few minutes with me tonight, and thank you for listening to this Midnight Thought. Until the next letter, take care.